Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In today's pour, we are going to be using a hairdryer. And this is a pretty easy technique, great for beginners. So I'm gonna start off with some white paint on my canvas. This is Mixed Media Girl pouring paint. You can mix up your own paint and you can use any color you want. It does not have to be white. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this spread around with the hairdryer. All right, so we've got a nice, fairly even base here. I'm gonna go ahead and just help it along on the corners and the sides over here. Now, because I used a hairdryer, there's going to be a lot of air bubbles in there, so I'm going to go ahead and pop them with a torch very quickly. Now, as a note, when using the hairdryer, I recommend using it on cold air only, so no heat, and then you can use it on low or on high, depending on what you're doing. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the colors. I'm using a series of primarily greens on this one. You can put them in any order you want, any kind of design. I'm gonna just go a little bit crazy with this, have fun. You don't need a lot on here, so just put a little bit at a time. So I've put some turquoise on there, and now I'm adding some electric lime. I love this color because it gives some really good contrast. And with that, I like to use this deep sea. I think it's a beautiful color combination. Now just for fun in here, I'm gonna get some emerald green. So this is a metallic, which will give us some really nice reactions. And lastly, I'm going to add some Caribbean teal, which also is a very good contrasting color. And a little bit more electric lime with that. Now you can see I went pretty crazy with my pattern here. It looks like it doesn't make sense. This is what I call the hot mess part of the painting. You'll see after we get in here with the hairdryer again, it's going to be so much fun. So here we go once again. I'm gonna start off on low air and then I will probably put it up to high. All right, so there you have it. Really, really simple technique, and you probably saw it looks like kind of a hot mess before I got in there. You were probably wondering, what is she thinking? What is she doing? That just looks horrible, but now it is gorgeous. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna touch up my corners and sides really quickly in a couple of spots, and then we're gonna bring you in for a close-up.